show you how I installed a crochet on my daughter Masuchuku. A crochet that will look like a singles, but it's actually a crochet. This crochet will have frontal illusion that you can pack it up into a ponytail like you saw in the video that just showed before this one. So first of all, I washed her hair using Pretty Root Organic hair care products. I also deep conditioned it before I stretched the hair. That is why it's well stretched, as you can see. I did that using African threading method. You already know how much I like African threading. Yes, that's what I use to stretch I and my children's hair. I probably say this a lot, but I mean, I won't stop saying it because I am a natural hair educator and a coach. So please, always moisturize your hair before installing protective styles. Of course, you can see that this hair is still well moisturized because it wasn't long I washed it and moisturized before putting it in African threading. So that was why I did not re-moisturize before going ahead to put her hair in this protective style that I'm doing. So please always moisturize your hair. It is very important. That is the only way you can be sure of length retention, because if the hair is not well moisturized, that is when you will experience breakage during takedown. Even though it's also still very good that you continue moisturizing even while your protective style is on. So that is it. This is one of the key reasons, or rather one of the secrets of length retention. Talking about length retention, you may wonder how old this hair is. So by this time last year, she was still cutting her hair because her school made them cut hair. So she stopped cutting her hair in June ending last year when they closed for third term. But then the hair was very short, like it was like skin. She used combo on it. For people that use the barbers, you know what is combo on. So her hair was pretty short. Not even short, her hair was completely low cut, like there was no hair. So we started making her hair in October before her birthday. I struggled to hold the very short hair and put it in braids that pulled off after a few weeks. So you can see that she has really retained a lot of length. That is why I was talking about length retention. Length retention is very important. That is the only way you can, feel your progress. That is the only way you can see your progress, because the scalp shore produces hair, the scalp grows hair. It is length retention that is the key thing. So as you can see, I already braided the front and then turned to the back to create exactly the same thing, the same braids, to give this hair that illusion that I want. So that was why I turned to the back to create the single braids. When I went to the beauty store and the lady didn't have passion twist, I almost changed my mind about the style because I was used to passion twist. But then she showed me another one that was very good, and the texture is nice and very friendly on the skin. It is called Obsession Spring Twist, and it is basically the same thing. It's just brand name fashion twists. It's just the same thing as this one. And so I got 18 inches. For all my crochet styles, I normally start from the front because you don't want to install every other place and then you'll be left with less crochet to do for front. So I do the front and then the back before I move to the middle of the head. But for this particular style, you just have no choice than to begin from the front and then do the back so that you can get the illusion before you now put the rest of the hair into cornrows. Also, since the hair will be worn mostly in ponytail, it is important to fill up the front and then the back very well before moving to the middle of the head. That can as well be as scanty as possible. Okay, so the next thing will be to put the rest of the hair into cornrows. You can do that following the line of the braids in front. So while doing the cornrows, make sure you tuck in the braids in front, the single braids in front into the cornrows, and also the braids at the back too should be properly tucked into the cornrows. Before filling in the crochet, the rest of the crochet, I used needle and thread to secure the end of the cornrows, and also ran the thread through the tucked end so that it doesn't come off. As you can see, her hair is short and I didn't use extension, so if it is not well secured, it's probably going to come off. And so that was why I gave it additional strength by securing it with thread. But if you are using a sharp needle like I did here, be sure to be very careful. I couldn't find my blunt needle, so I used the sharp one that is normally used to sew fabrics. So you have to be very careful so you don't prick the scalp. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Also help me share this video so you can get more views. If you liked it, I'm sure you did. And of course, thank you in advance. My name is Ndidamaka Otubu. Also set your notification because definitely there's so much more that we'll be sharing with you. And please watch to the end so you can understand the style very well, and also so you can recreate it. We are on Instagram, and our Instagram handle is @PrettyRootOrganics, which is the Instagram handle for our hair care products. And my personal page is Pepper Pretty herself. On my personal page, I share lots of tips on how to care for your natural hair.